Dropbox and how Dropbox can actually make your life easier to save a file to anybody, or like for reviewing sort of thing, to work as a team, collaborate as a, to share your files with your other member without using email address. Just drop your files in your folder in a very usual way in your usual folder, and then it's all that. That's there's nothing more to do it. So let's get to it. So here's first you'll download the software. I will bring you a link for like click on the link, download it, and then install it on your computer. And then right now, as I right click, go to your software, right click, run as an administrator. When once you do run an administrator, you just need to do it here. Yes, I do already have it in my computer. That I won't do it. So now the what's the difference? So you add it here to a taskbar, and then you'll open up a dialog box that the whole folder. So here you can see a Dropbox, right? So this Dropbox feature will allow you to seamlessly arrange, like send your folders to anybody, like any of those folders. Drop your files in, like maybe I cross this, like just naturally, just do it. So right click on this and then do share. When you do share, you can share it to your respective recipient or whoever it is, maybe your faculty, maybe your friends, or maybe your colleague, maybe like whoever you're working with. Just put the email address there, and you are good to go. That's it. So this is how you have to use. And the best part is the other person that who is receiving the file would not have wouldn't be cluttered by his lots and lots of email. Instead, he will just get a link and he can open that file in his computer. It's just that easy. So hope you get it. So I will be sharing you a link, as I said. Just join that link and click on the link and download it, install it, and then use. It'll work.